All you need is 1 cup of rice, 2 cups of water, a pinch of salt, and a tablespoon of oil or butter. Start by rinsing your rice under cold water to remove excess starch. This helps keep the rice from becoming too sticky. Next, bring 2 cups of water to a boil in a medium-sized pot. Add a pinch of salt for flavor and a little oil or butter to keep the grains from sticking. Once the water is boiling, add your rinsed rice and stir it gently. Reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and let the rice cook for about 18 minutes. Avoid lifting the lid during cooking to ensure the steam stays inside. After 18 minutes, turn off the heat and let the rice sit for another 5 minutes. Then, fluff the rice with a fork to separate the grains. And there you have it, perfectly cooked rice, ready to enjoy. You can pair it with your favorite dishes for a complete meal. Try it today and enjoy your homemade rice.